Good driving. So
Hey guys, Blue Ridge Hiking here. We got Hunter with us. Say hi, Hunter. We got Audrey.
Hey, Hunter.
This is Audrey's first hiking trip ever, so we're hoping not to lose her in the woods. We got Brian and Andrew. Andrew's still sleeping over here. They're ready to go. This is their first time with us, and of course we got Dave, old Big Mac. We'll see you guys on the trail. Do what? It's called a mountain for a reason. Looks to me like you did. Come on, Audrey, I found you some flatland.
where?
Right here.
I hope I don't have to go up there. It's a struggle. I don't walk often. Lord help me. Jesus. It's not funny.
Well, you are a teenager.
Not 63.
63? You ain't that old, are you?
Yes.
How you doing, Brian? Brian, you have to talk. Alright guys, we're slowly but surely getting up this little bitty mountain here. Audrey, how you doing down there?
I'm doing the best I can.
The best she can, that's all that matters. Oh, that's the best part of hiking, Audrey, getting out and doing the best you can. Brian, how you doing down there? My goal today is try to get Brian to talk. He hasn't yet. Nice little trail up here. They've done a lot of work to it, keep it pretty. Here comes Audrey. She's doing a good job.
Thank you.
Her first hike, and she hasn't quit yet.
No, I'll be ready for the second one when I get back from New Jersey.
Yeah, she's gonna make it all the way to the top. Brian, you at least gotta say hi. Jeez, too bad Brian wasn't this quiet during lunch every day. Or during our training class.
You got a jump. Huh?
She's got a jump for her way up.
Oh. Well, I don't guess I'm gonna get up there and take the picture.
Let's go have the first one.
They jump.
Yeah. Audrey, how you feel about your first hiking trip?
I'm really enjoying. It's really beautiful out here. Just next time I'll be more prepared. Not too many clothes. And make sure I walk all week. Lord, don't let me fall. Fall under. Thank you.
You're like a pro.
I made it. Whew.
Hey Audrey, what do you think about this switchback section?
What?
So what do you think about these switchbacks?
I don't like none of it.
You don't like them? How you doing back there?
I'm hanging in there.
You're doing good. We're almost there.
Yeah. Oh, Lord.
So what do you think about your first hiking trip?
Challenge, but I'm conquering my fear. So far, good.
There ain't been no bears to get us yet.
It won't be.
There might be.
No, can't be.
Why?
I got to get back home to my mother, and I got to visit my daughter next Thursday. I got to be on that plane. I got to hold the bears back. I'm gonna need a breather and some water.
All right, let me know when you're ready. Still a little snow up here on the trail, not too bad.
Why are you in the path? It's clear.
Look better. Audrey, we're up here at the helipad. We finally made it this far.
I like that breakdown.
Oh, is this where they picked me up?
No, not yet. We finally made it up here to the helipad. Nice, beautiful view. Audrey's still hanging in there. She's doing a good job. Her first hike at 63 years old. She's whooping it. This would be a good hike for anybody. Just about. Kids, older folks, beginners. It's a nice little hike for people who have plenty of experience too. Can't wait to get to the top and check out the views. Stay with us. Here's Audrey making up them big old steps.
Shut up.
She said she's never going hiking with us again.
Never again.
That's not
I
nice.
conquered what I came to do. Let me turn that damn camera off. Lord, forgive me.
You love it yet, Audrey?
Nope. Never coming back.
Wait till you get to the top. You might change your mind. All beauty's worth a little effort.
Yeah. I can look at myself in the mirror. That's enough beauty. What I was talking about.
You said next time you come.
Oh no. I was delirious.
Say that again.
Something happened.
Next time you
I
come,
said,
what?
next time I come, I'm gonna bring my air fryer. We're gonna have lunch, a picnic on top of this
You
mountain.
get married, Audrey?
I need that tree.
When?
September 12th, 2020.
Who's the man?
His name is Kevin.
Isn't this view worth it? Come on, we're almost there.
What?
A little further.
You lied again.
We just can't go through this little section right here.
It
We'll be
says
there.
danger.
Yeah, you can't believe all the government warnings.
You gotta believe it.
Say hey, lunch.
Hey, this is a good way to clear your mind. If you got any trouble, just take a hike.
That's why we do it.
Be gone.
Yeah,
Back up.
these rocks are a little slick, so be careful. You can always tuck and roll. Look at old Big Mac. He's so helpful. I said Big Mac's so helpful.
Yeah, they bring that big dog down here.
Careful right there. Go down.
We'll let Brandon check the other side.
Okay. Oh, gotta be ice up there. Oh.
No fight.
Stop! Ah, it's cold! Oh, it's in my ears. Chill, 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 chill. Chill. Oh my gosh, I hate you.
He's doing his best.
Let me see this.
What'd you say, Audrey?
She said from the hood to the woods. Been obvious over here.
I made it, Simone.
Nuggets of wisdom.
Your mom made it.
You ain't there yet. You got a couple more steps.
Couple more steps.
Just a few.
What's the name of this mountain?
Looking Glass.
Looking Glass Mountain. Oh my God. I got to get my camera. I ain't going no further. I'm going right here on this rock here. This is my rock right here. There's ice over there.
The view's
I got
out
to
here.
live.
I actually slid on my butt down ice over the action.
Southern girl. From the hood to the woods. So they
Wait, that's a video.
Hey guys, we're up here on Looking Glass, kind of down off to the edge. See Mount Pisgah over there in the background, the Pisgah Inn. See Hunter right there. The rest of the crowd's up there behind us where most normal people stay. But we decided to come over here and check out the edge. Right there, let's see. There's a good little drop off right there. All right, Audrey. What do you think about your first hiking trip?
It was a little rough at first, but I'm glad I accomplished my fear. and the view is so beautiful.
What's your favorite saying now?
Man, what are you doing?
From the hood to the woods. They wanted me to say that, but I'm really from the suburbs.
You gonna tell your mom and your daughter hi?
Huh?
You gonna tell your mom and your daughter hi?
Oh, hey Simone. Hey Ma. I know you're proud of my accomplishments. I got over my little fear. Zack told me a story though. He told me it was all flat. The whole hiking trip was nothing but hills and mountains. It's a lot of ice out here. A little afraid to go to the edge, but a lot of people went to the edge. So until next time. The next trip I'm gonna bring my what did I say I was gonna bring?
Your gum.
Oh, my chewing gum, which I forgot, and lunch.
We have lunch. He's right here. There's
Not
lunch.
lunch.
That's lunch. That's his name.
That's it.
That's Lunch the Lion.
Lion Gang. Yay.
All right, Audrey. So this is your first hike
Yes, my first hiking trip.
ever?
My first hiking trip ever.
How old are you?
I'm 63 years old.
24.
And we're gonna do about 6 or 7 miles.
Yes,
Yep.
total.
All right.
Yes.
So Mike Smith, that's a call out to you. 63 years old, first hiking trip, and she's knocking out 7 miles.
Yeah, I
what,
did it.
What are you gonna do, Mike?
You got to
you
do
gotta-
something, Mike.
You gotta step it up, buddy. We expect to see you out here more often.
It was great. It was... You sucker, you didn't even tell me there was ice.
You walked through it already,
I forgot about it.
so it's my fault.
Don't let me break a leg and I'm trying to get home to get to work. And I got to go to New Jersey Thursday. I ain't going to bring no thing. This is not funny.
What is? It is to everybody but you.
What?
Just don't fall.
I'm not going to fall.
If you do, fall forwards.
What a ski trip. Dang, we're almost down the bottom.
Mile and a half.
Come on, don't tell me that mile and a half. You said that way back up there, the trip should be over. Well, I'm coming.
All right, Audrey, you made it to the bottom.
Yes, I did.
You didn't think you was gonna make it to the top.
You know what?
You hated it all the way up.
I'm driving.
Well,
You said you was never coming back.
Well, that's not true.
How do you feel now?
I feel great. I'm thankful for my accomplishment. I don't have any fear. And it was beautiful.
So for your first hike, was it a good one?
Yeah, it was good. From the north to the south, it was great. Stay
Right.
posted for the next hike.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching our
Fearless
video of
poetry.
Looking Glass Rock. Stay tuned. We'll have some more to come. And hope to see you around.
2 seconds.